Good afternoon, students. Dear students, everybody, how are you? I hope that you are keeping well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. I am Muhammad Nijamuddin, Assistant Head Teacher of Sharwatuli Ibrahim Nur Mohammed High School. Welcome to SINM Online School. Dear students, I will discuss English first paper for class 9 and 10. Every students, look at the picture. Now we can see a modern house. This house built grandfather. Second house, we can see that built my father. My father inherited it later. Now I am living here. It is my heritage. I own it from my father and I will pass it to my future generation. Every student, look at this slide. Do you know him? This is the Statue of Liberty. Where it is situated? It is situated in the USA. And this is a World Heritage. Next slide. But what is this? This is Shad Gumbuz, Moscow. And it is a World Heritage. Can you tell me what is our today's topic? The Shad Gumbuz, Moscow, a World Heritage. This is unit number 8 and lesson number 1. Every student open your book and look at your book. Unit number 8, lesson number 1, World Heritage. First lesson, the Shad Gumbuz Mosque. Next slide. Look at the picture, work in pair, talk about the picture, ask and answer the following questions with your partner. What is this building? This is a mosque. Do you have a building like this in your town or village? Yes. Third question, why do we call it? We call it Shad Gumbuz Mosque. What is it for? It is a World Heritage. Let us introduce with some new words or keywords. Every student open your khata and write down the new words. This is synonym words. First word, unique. Unique means exclusive or exceptional. Now we can make a sentences. Shad Gumbuz Mosque is a unique World Heritage. Second word, outskirt. Meaning borders or outer edge. Kuril is the outskirt of Dhaka city. Third word, mangrove. Meaning coastal tree or tree grows on riverbank. Sundarban is one of the biggest mangrove forests. Infrastructure. Meaning frame or setup or structure. The infrastructure of this house is very strong. Next word, baked brick, meaning hard or burnt or strong. Shad Gumbuz Moscow was built with baked brick. Reservoirs, meaning tanks, pool, lake or pond. Khan Jahan Ali made many reservoirs for people. Slender stone column, meaning slim or handsome. The building is made with slender stone columns. Arch, meaning carved. There are 11 arcs door in Shad Gumbuz Mosque. Next word, hollow, meaning empty spaces inside. The interior part of every is a big hollow. Aisle, meaning narrow way. There are different aisles in this market. Remarkable, meaning extraordinary, amazing or notable. The scenery is really remarkable. Now we can see this is a Bangladesh map. Now we can see Bagerhat district. Why is Bagerhat famous for? It is famous for Shad Gumbuz Mosque. Now this is Shad Gumbuz Mosque. It has 77 low height domes, smaller domes in 4 corners, 11 arched doorways on east. Next slide. This is south of the mosque and east of the mosque. 7 arched doors in both sides, both south and north. Next slide you can see inside the mosque. Next slide. The interior western wall of the mosque is beautifully decorated with terracotta. Read the text again and fill the table given in the textbook. Every student, now open your khata and write down the information. Shad Gumbuz Mosque. Who founded by Shad Gumbuz Mosque? When built the Shad Gumbuz Mosque? How many domes and pillars of the mosque? How many arcs in this mosque? Thickness of the arcs and mihrabs. Now every students open your khata and write down your homework. Read the textbook again. Now answer to the following questions. Question number A. Who built the Shad Gumbuz Mosque? Question number 2. Where is Khalifatabad situated? Number C. How many pillars are there in the mosque? Number D. When was the Muslim colony founded in Bagerhat? Question number E or last question. When did the mosque become a World Heritage Site? Okay, every students, today finish my class. Every students, thank you so much. Every students, you see this class and you have faced any problem, now write down comment box your class, role or any problem. Then I shall try to solve this problem. Okay. Goodbye students. Okay. Thank you.